Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, I'm Aishwarya. Welcome to second day of Vlogmas. So I wanted to redo my room and decorate it for Christmas a bit. So this video is part one of that. I'm going to clean my room, declutter it, and share few DIY Christmas decor items with you guys. So let's get started. Hi guys, so I'm going to redo my room for Christmas and I'm really excited and thrilled about it. So my room right now is kind of a mess. In my defense, I wasn't here for almost a month. I was in different city. So there is a lot of dhool mitti here and there and I need to clean a lot of stuff. I need to get rid of a lot of stuff. So before we start, I'll give you a little tour of how my room is looking like right now. I just cleaned my bed and changed the bed sheets. Other than that, like few days back. Other than that, I think everything is messy. और इतनी धूल मिट्टी है, I can't even. So I'll show you first. So when we enter, this is how my bed looks like. It's not that great, but fine. It's neat. So on this white cabinet here, like you can see, there is so much of धूल मिट्टी happening. Can you shut up? Okay, that's just my brother talking nonsense shit. Anyway, so there is a lot of dhool mitti as you can see, and this needs to get organized really badly. Look at the mess. So I need to clean this. I think the cabinets inside are fine, but I need to clean this. Now for this particular, oh my god, you can see how mess is that. I wasn't here for I think almost a month. और उसके पहले भी I wasn't here and the days were really busy, so I couldn't like organize all of this. So I really badly need to get this organized and clean. My corner isn't a corner anymore. Nobody sits there because there is so much of chaos happening. So I'm going to get rid of all that stuff, maybe shift it somewhere else, but this corner is not going to be like this anymore. My laundry bag full of clothes. I need to do my laundry as well. The bed I think is fine. I mean, I'll just have to change the bed sheets for the theme of Christmas. Other than that, it's fine. Again, lot of dhool mitti here and there. I don't know why I have a pizza cutter, but sure, priorities. So this needs to also, I need to clean all of this as well, and my bedside table as well. Again, my cupboard is fine. Don't even get me started on this shit right here. So this also needs to get cleaned. So this is how it is. Alright, so I think I'll start with cleaning this particular cabinet. I'll organize all of this and then maybe shift this cabinet in some other room for this theme because I'll need some more space for my Christmas tree. Yes, I'm also going to set up Christmas tree. So I think I'll just shift this at like to some other room for now. I was also thinking of painting that wall because I'll show you, this wall is really in a bad state, but I think I won't be able to do it because I don't have that much time right now. But some other time, but that I really need to paint that wall, like repaint that wall. Other than that, I think everything is fine. So let's start with cleaning this first. So yes, let's go. So then I started organizing it one by one. I know my voice sounds a little nasal क्योंकि इतनी धूल मिट्टी थी कि I got infected and I'm not doing well right now. But I think it was worth it. So I started cleaning it. लेकिन मेरा बहुत वक्त उसमें गया because I had to go through each and every paper really carefully. I had to check for important documents और मुझे कुछ letters मिल गए जो मेरे दोस्तों ने मेरे लिए लिखे थे. तो वो मैंने वापस पढ़े तो it was a nostalgia trip. तो बहुत वक्त गया. It was not an easy work to do, but I think I finally could finish it and it was worth it. I also found this picture of mine that my mama took few years back, and then I thought ki, oh, this kind of goes with Christmas theme, but it was not in that great condition. But sure. So to organize this, I obviously use these boxes, cardboard boxes, and I put some craft paper on it for it to look cute. And then I shifted this to some other room. I kept it in my kitchen slash dining. Yeah, again, not an easy thing to do. After that, I started cleaning my corner. So I took my laundry bag away and then cleaned all the things that were there. I took all the pictures and my vision board of 2021 down. I think it was time. So this wall basically had my vision board and few pictures of all my favorite people in the world. So there were pictures of my family, my brothers, my Ajji Azoba, um, and rest other relatives, my mama, mami, and everybody. And then I had pictures of my friends from college and friends from my school, like my best friends, um, or friends from my cultural group, my theater group, few pictures of my performances. So this corner was really special to me because it had a lot of my favorite pictures. But I think it was time to like clean it out. So here I am carefully taking out the pictures. Then I cleaned the rest of the thing. हाँ वहाँ एक गद्दी है actually, and few extra blankets and everything. Then I shifted my white cabinet in that corner. It was really heavy. Yeah, charming. I was so tired by then. Oh my god. Oh my god, I can't even, like, I was so tired. Then I cleaned it, I organized it. It took a little time. Yeah, there was so much of doodh mitti, oh my god. Which is why I sound a little different right now. You will see me doing lot of this random stuff. Uh, yeah. Then I cleaned the table. I wiped it down. There you go. You can see how shitty that was. So I cleaned it, like properly cleaned it. Later, actually, abhi tak I was using this trunk as my bedside table, but then I shifted back to the original bedside table. I cleaned that as well. And then I shifted that trunk to some other place, like different place in the room. Now for DIYs, I am making this red garland. So I have used this red craft paper and I'm using a shape that looks like this. I'm sure you must have seen this in a lot of videos of people making happy birthday garlands. So I measured it and cut those cut those tiny little shapes, like exact same shape but tiny little pieces. And then I took a foam sheet in this silver color and I wrote Christmas on it and then cut it down. You can use foam sheet जो sticker वाली होती है. I couldn't find it in this particular color. So I decided to cut it and then paste it. So there you go. So it looked something like this, and I use Fevi-Stick to stick it to the red craft paper. Like that. फिर मैंने बाकी के भी सारे लेटर्स लगाए, and then I tied it to this सूतली and made a garland. I don't know where वो टी नीचे गिर गया और मुझे पता भी नहीं चला. So there is a T missing in this, but you get the point. I corrected it later, but right now it's missing. Now for our next DIY, I use these I don't know what to call them. They're like clips that you get in DMart. I only got this for 21 rupees, which was a great deal. And then I took these foam sheets in different colors. So basically those are two different shades of green, but in this particular video they don't look much different. So what I did was I took measurements of this clip and then I do this triangle sort of shape, and then I cut it. As you see here, I know they don't look much different, but believe me, in person they were like totally different colors. And then I made 2 pieces of this triangle, and then I used tape to stuck them to this clip, which made it look like a tree, like a mini Christmas tree. Like that. And I obviously use different colors so that it looks different, like light green with dark green, like this. It looked really, really cute. I made a few others of this, few other pieces, and then I again used sutli to like tie them up together and make a green garland kind of a thing. But I think you can clip this anywhere and this will look really cute. Here is how I made it, but you can like do it the way you want to. It's a really, really cute decor piece. I absolutely loved this one. This was my favorite. Now for our third, I needed something to hang on my wall. So I took cardboard sheets and then I cut shapes, like a different size ke shape that looks something like this. Then I painted the bottom part white. After that, I started making this different patterns ke topi on this cardboard, like hats or caps. So I'm using this different pattern. So I've used green color, red color and white color to make this caps. So there is one in green and red, one in green, white and red, and the other in white and red. Like this. I thought it looked cool. Then I used black foam sheet to make these buttons. These were the sticker ones, so it was very easy to make them and put them there. Like that. I know the circles aren't perfect, but I was good with it. Like I was okay with it. And then I drew this very basic face. If you are an artist who can do better than this, you should definitely try this out. It looks really cute. Then I made these tiny holes on the top of the hat, and then stuck that to this wooden stick that I found. And it looked something like this. That's it for today, guys. In tomorrow's video I'm gonna set it up for Christmas, so put on some winter lights, put on a Christmas tree and everything, so stay tuned for that. I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to click on the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.